Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this article, you will learn how bread is made. Let's get started. Janvi and Gotham arrived at Mr. Bowman's bakery for a baking adventure. The aroma of fresh breads welcomed them. He handed them small aprons and chef caps. The baking adventure has begun. The first stop was the dough station. Janvi and Gotham kneaded the dough and made it soft and fluffy. They giggled as they squished and squeezed the dough with their little hands. Mr. Bowman showed them how to bake. After baking, he handed them the bread to take home. Janvi and Gotham couldn't wait to share their baking adventure with everyone they loved. With their hearts full of joy, they said their goodbyes and hopped all the way home. That brings us to the end of this article. You have learned. Bread is made by baking the soft and fluffy dough. The soft and fluffy dough is prepared by kneading it. Freshly baked bread have pleasant aroma. We hope you liked this article. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.